In this classroom, you have two monitors. They are connected and can be used as one continuous screen. The left screen is also connected to the displays around the room. If you wish to share what is on this screen to the displays, you can do so by clicking NinerNet PC under the display sources on your control panel. This will only show what is on the left monitor. You're still free to use the right monitor without it being shared. If you select another source to use on the control panel, such as laptop HDMI, wireless video podium, or document camera, that source will also be routed to your left monitor. If you go into breakout mode, allowing all of the students to connect their individual displays, the left monitor will remain as whatever source was previously selected. To continue to use the computer while in a different source, your materials must already be on the right monitor, or you will be unable to access them without switching back to the NinerNet PC source. If you would like to play a video and show it to the class, you can do so on the left monitor. But if you change sources while playing the video, it will cut the audio and visual from the monitor. But if you switch back, the video will still be playing and automatically continue. If you are using Zoom for your class and would like to share your screen, you will have the option to select either monitor to share. You can adjust the monitors slightly to move them closer or further away. There are also buttons on the podium beside the keyboard and mouse tray that allows you to adjust the height of the podium.